Senator's question is a general one that I think a lot of projects have. Since we ask players on Pioneer to describe their project in one sentence,
Yeah.
how do you explain deep tech products so lay people can understand them?
Okay, we can skip the landing page and just focus on the question. It's a great question, and I think it's worth calling out that it's actually important. A lot of people say, "Well, it's deep tech. Who cares?" At the end of the day, both for your own happiness, you want to be able to explain to your friends and your parents what you do, but also like for fundraising, you are going to need to learn to speak very simply. Often, the people who can see this best are just not basically everyone but you. Because you're stuck and mired in the details as you should be. And Pioneer, and we kind of spend all of our day, just doing this and retitling companies and trying to simplify it. So I do think we've gotten the muscle down quite a bit, but literally anyone, I think will do. It was 2009, and I was going to pitch YC for the winter 2010 batch. And I was working on a search engine, and I just wanted to get better at honing in on how to pitch it. And so I went to a relative of mine. It works at a law firm. I just went to every single cubicle in that law firm, and I endlessly pitched what I was doing. And the beginning of the day started with "I have no clue, say it again," and by the end of the day, I had a completely different message. So I really think that the solution here is really simple. It's just you have to go out and talk to people about what you're doing, and they'll kind of ask them to just regurgitate, what they think you do, and you'll slowly start triangulating, I think. And so if we were to do that service for you, there's a lot. It's machine learning software that converts ultrasound systems into diagnostics and non-robotic navigation systems focused on the brain spine in order to provide paramedics and first responders with an easy and to use mobile diagnostic system. There's like the number of proper nouns here is really outstanding. I'm sure there's a very simple way to explain what this is. I mean, is this just a machine learning model that finds brain and spine injuries? Any takers? I mean, I think that's possible. That's what it is. So like
I'm trying to poke holes in that and failing.
you may just want to say it's AI that detects spine and brain injuries.